Hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2021 Ford Transit Connect. This one comes to you in a lovely blue with 34,000 miles upon the clock. This is a short wheelbase model of a small van, and it does come with cruise control, hands-free cooling, voice assist, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, reversing camera, parking sensors, as well as an automatic transmission, heated seat for the driver, air conditioning, as well as radio and Bluetooth connectivity, etc. And I will show you the load area in the back. As you can see, it is ply-lined and interior lit, and there are cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry. I will show you the space from the back again as well. As you can see, there is a pristine, undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Ford Transit Connect, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, or visit our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, if you don't live too far away. And you can drive this van yourself, speak to one of our specialists about it, and you never know, one day you may be working with this van every day of your life.